Let's go somewhere. Okay, let's buy some water first and some chips. Wala tayong food, so let's find something to munch on para may makain tayo guys kasi wala tayong lunch for today's video. So hanap tayo ng chips, mga chichirya lang at saka water, baon. Push. Push. So, okay guys, nakita ko ang post pala sa Facebook na mag-soft opening ang Hubason. So, Hubason is a river, something like that na nirenovate nila. So, yun, doon tayo pupunta. Let's go! Let's go to the Hubason River. So, ayun, ang entrance fee pala ay 25 pesos each. Tapos, mag-logbook. So, yun lang. Sulat mo lang pangalan mo, tsaka taga-san ka, taga-hain ka. Tapos, goods na. Okay. So, looks like maraming tao today. Looks like a lot of people inside because of the parking outside, motorcycles, vehicles. So let's see. So, welcome to Hubason, located at Carmen's Regalia Store. Ayan, this is new. I've been here before. Dito kami before at wala pa itong bridge na ito. puro ano, sa ilog na lang talaga dadaan dati. So, ginawa nila now ng bridge view. So, ayan, welcome, welcome.
Man to dito ma'am, CR? CR? CR sa ba to dito? Ah, duha ka CR.
Okay, so this is the famous restaurant
This is their CR.
for girls. On the other side for boys, so we will not get inside there. And they have that event center where earlier they had a program because it's a soft opening today. So there's people
Okay,
inside,
okay,
so we will not get inside. And they have their Nipa cottages. Says that is for 500 pesos. And there's cottages also by the water over there with the umbrella for 200 pesos. So much better if marami kayo. Para sulit ang 500, di ba? Malaki naman siya. Okay, yung umbrella, the white there, says 200. So, yun. It's a soft opening, not really done. It's really a nature vibe. You know? Na talaga siya. From river ang water. Ayan, may lifeguard sila on duty for today's video. Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-swimming dyan. Yung another CR nila. Ay, shower room. I mean, these are the shower rooms. So, after swimming by the river, mag-shower dito. And at the back of this is another comfort room or restrooms. So, good because they have a lot of comfort rooms. And let's cross this water. Malabang kita guys. Ay adto kita dito sa Atbang. Kasi yung iba doon is magja-jumping. So let's see. Ano to? Nasa itaas lang ng kanina. So mas maraming tao doon naliligo kasi gusto nilang mag-jumping from the rocks. Charot. Nandun.
Wala ko ba ni Guti Manilin? Wala ka nag-open. Hindi mo mag-open ng Monday? Wala ka nagpalulis na ka mag-open. Nagsinilas pa siya. Hi. Can I include you in my vlog? This is for my YouTube. No, I'm a small YouTuber, yeah.
Okay.
Where you from, if you don't mind?
UK. England.
UK.
England, yeah.
Yeah, and you? Same? How long you been here?
1 day so far.
Oh.
But my mother's here, so I just see my family.
Oh, okay.
And
So,
then
like your
my
mother.
sister's husband.
Ah, okay. Like your mom, somebody live in the Philippines, like get married, have a family
Yeah,
here.
so my mum came to England, and then yeah, my father's British,
Oh.
so I'm half Filipino. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool. So you're with your family.
Yeah.
So how do you find here? Is
Yeah, beautiful,
you
yeah.
like not used to the weather?
Sorry?
No, it's no, just so hot.
Oh yeah, I like the heat. Yeah,
Yeah?
England's too cold. So.
Yeah, but about the humidity,
Oh yeah, very humid. Yeah. Oh,
you
you
do,
have to deal with it.
and then but it's okay for you. You
Yeah.
can still sleep at night,
Yeah,
comfortable.
that's fun.
But you tried surfing in Lanusa?
Not yet.
Not yet? Well, you should try because Lanusa also hold a surfing, international surfing, actually. And every November, they will hold a surfing international.
Yeah, I heard.
So, yeah. So hope you're still here by
Yeah,
that time.
maybe, or come back maybe.
Yeah, because there's really, it's an international, so a lot of foreigners will come to join the competition. Yeah, in Lanusa. The Siargao is the international surfing spot of the, you've been there? Not yet?
Him and my sister will go Siargao
Oh, yeah.
in 1 week.
Ah, so you will visit. Oh, nice, cool.
I'm not going now, but yeah,
Ah, yeah, nice. Because there's a lot there in. It's
Have
an
you been in Siargao?
yeah. And now you can say that more foreigners than locals.
yeah.
Yeah, it is because of the international surfing.
Yeah.
Everywhere, foreigners from all around in
My
Siargao.
cousin just been Siargao last week. He said
Oh.
many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's-
More than the local.
Yes. Really, the others will just come and go, come and go. The others really stay there already. Side only. So, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Ah, juice. Oh. Kalain mo ambak. Uy, nagkapakapa. Ay, makontra siguro na nila. Makontra siguro na nila. Murag kasakit man sa ilang kakuyog. Inaambak.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. And of course, you can support me also by sending PayPal. The link is under description below, and you can share this video. And if you wanted to visit about the place, the Hubason of Carmen Surigao del Sur, you can comment below. And see you next time. Loves you.